Well, my phone says 1 o'clock, and so here we are. It is day 10 of eLearning. I mean, this is our 10th school day of being not at school. So it's been a couple weeks. But anyway, like I said, I was going to start with basically what's going on, what the assignment is, and I said I'd start with regular physics and move on to honors. And you're kind of doing similar things. Funnily, it just kind of coincidentally worked out that way. And so I just lost my little. So basically right now you're working on lab report. This goes for honors as well. But if you haven't finished it, as you can see, is a summative grade. There's a rubric and everything involved. Just kind of do what it says, follow the examples, watch these videos if you haven't, and you should be good. Honestly, the videos do a good job of walking you through it. And then many of you have been turning it in. I've been adding comments and just following the rubric, meaning there's a whole checklist of what everything needs to be and the point value of it. So that's basically it. So if you got questions about that, let me know. Honors, it's the same thing. There's this new lab, the CER. I assigned it on Friday, and that's basically what we're going to be doing for the next, today and tomorrow, basically. Not basically, that's what we're doing today and tomorrow. So it's a lab, like I said, it's a CER, it's more of a CER lab than last time. So the focus is going to be more on that part, the claim, evidence, and reason. And so just like with regular, just follow the rubric and you should be fine. Just like I said, when you go to this, when you go to it, you're going to see the rubric right here. You should be able to check on it, and it'll tell you exactly what needs to be in there. There it is. I mentioned this Friday, but I'll just say it again. The template is there to help you. Make sure you change the color from red to whatever, delete anything in red, just like it says. Anything in red is meant for you to erase or to type in what should be present for that section. Okay, so these are the instructions that you get, and just find out which resistor has 220 ohms. And that's essentially what this is all about. Okay, so hopefully you can do that. What else? You may have noticed that there's a whole lot of there's a lot of assignments in Hack now. And those are just the required assignments that teachers need to put in there. There's no assignment for me. It's going to be blank. There's nothing to do about that. It's worth 0 points. It's worth 0 weight. And it's just there because it's just one of the requirements that the teachers have. So I had to go back and put those all in because I didn't know. So don't freak out or anything about those. If it says like eLearning day 1 or day 2, I forget exactly how I worded it, but they're worded the exact same thing, and there's nothing to it. So if you're wondering about that, that's just a requirement I had to put in there. All right. That said, are there any questions or anything like that? So hope you guys are doing well. This is still weird, and hopefully you're keeping safe and washing your hands and wiping everything down and keeping yourself away from people as much as you possibly can. I know some of you guys are working, and again, hopefully you're still able to stay away from people as much as you can doing that. But yeah. All right. Hey, Aiden, how are you today? So not much going on. If you missed the first few minutes, I just kind of recapped everything, the lab and all that. So, but if you got questions, I'll gladly answer them. There's a couple of people watching according to this. According to my, purposely you can't see it, but all right. I might just end the stream then because there's not a lot. Good. I'm glad you're doing good. I'm glad. Hope you keep doing good and nothing bad comes up. So, but yeah. So again, there's not really much for me to explain, I guess. Once you get into the lab, it's pretty self-explanatory. And just let me know. I am doing fine. I'm not bored or anything yet. Like I said, I mean, if boredom is the worst thing that happens, it's fine. It's just what it is. So, but growing concern, but that's about it. Hey, Noel, how are you? So, I don't know. It is just what it is. I'm just taking care of myself, my family. So, if you didn't know that, we're going to do a Zoom again. I've combined both the honors classes together this time. So if you want to hop on the Zoom, I think I sent a remind out earlier today. So I'm going to do that a little bit more informal, a little less one-sided than me talking to a camera with, you know, the stuff on the screen here. But all right, so unless there's any other questions, about physics, all right. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the Zoom meeting. And awesome, cool. Yeah, it'll be interesting. I've never combined well, I've only done it once, but I've never combined the classes before. We'll see what it's like with the combined classes. I don't know. I'm just going to be hanging out there, so stop in and say hi. All right. Well, you guys take care. There's not much for me to talk about right now. Just work on the lab, and we'll see what comes up on Wednesday and Thursday. I'll be putting that up there shortly, today or tomorrow. All right. Oh, okay. That's fine. That's cool. I will see you there then. All right. Take it easy. Bye.